Hello guys, in today's video we'll be discussing a most beginning question, what is programming and how does it works? Let's start the topic. Programming is the process of designing, writing, testing, and maintaining computer programs. Computer programs are sets of instructions that tell a computer what to do, how to do it, and in what order. These instructions are written in a programming language, which is a set of rules that specifies how to write code that the computer can understand. Programming is an essential part of modern technology, as it allows us to create software applications, websites, games, and more. A programmer uses programming languages such as Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript to create programs. Each programming language has its own syntax, which is the set of rules that dictate how the code should be written. To create a computer program, a programmer first needs to identify the problem that needs to be solved or the task that needs to be completed. Then, they need to design a solution to the problem, breaking it down into smaller, more manageable parts. This process is called algorithm design, and it involves creating a step-by-step plan for how the program will work. Once the algorithm has been designed, the programmer writes the code using a text editor or an integrated development environment, IDE. The code is written using the syntax of the chosen programming language. The code consists of statements, which are individual instructions that tell the computer what to do. These statements can include arithmetic operations, variable assignments, conditional statements, and loops. After the code has been written, it needs to be tested to ensure that it works as intended. Testing involves running the program and verifying that it produces the expected output. If any errors or bugs are found, the programmer must fix them and test the program again. Finally, the program is ready to be used. However, programming is an ongoing process, and the program may need to be updated or modified in the future. Maintenance involves fix bugs, add new features, optimize program. In summary, programming is the process of creating computer programs by designing algorithms, writing code in a programming language, testing the program,